Sharing your experience and knowledge is the privilege of a strong business and experienced professionals. This year, Open Cascade sponsored the GDG DevFest IT Conference in Nizhny Novgorod. Today, the network of nonprofit developer communities initiated by Google consists of more than 1,000 local groups in 135 countries and unites over 800,000 participants. In total, worldwide, in 2019, there will be 504 DevFest conferences in which more than 150,000 developers are expected to participate. The choice of Nizhny Novgorod as one of the hosts for the GDG DevFest is not accidental. It is one of the largest IT hubs in Russia. In addition, Open Cascade has a development center here. Participation in the conference is an opportunity to be discovered by a wide audience and talk about Open Cascade promising technologies and new products. One of them is Asset Revamping, a one-of-a-kind software product that ensures quick and easy work with 3D data of various types in a web browser. This unique software, which, perhaps, has no close analogs in the world, looks like a gaming platform at first sight, while in fact, everything is much more complicated. Asset revamping is used by industrial companies for collaborative design reviews of complex projects, trainings, scheduled maintenance, or retrofitting works, as well as for creating digital twins of production facilities. We are seasoned experts in 3D visualization and modeling. One of our solutions is Open Cascade Asset Revamping, which is a unique hybrid solution, and we are presenting it to the world. Indeed, it looks like a computer game. It can be touched and tried. But in reality, it is an interactive software for industrial enterprises that efficiently solves their everyday tasks, starting from engineers designing three-dimensional models in complex software programs and up to marketing specialists, to all those people who are engaged in production workflows and deal with large 3D data. Asset revamping allows operating with several types of three-dimensional data simultaneously. That's what makes it unique in this niche. Within one project, a user can work both with CAD models and point cloud. At the company's stand, it becomes possible to see in practice how the system works with the usage of virtual reality glasses or on a touchscreen. Moreover, Open Cascade held a workshop on additive manufacturing using the capabilities of the Open Cascade Technology Toolkit. At the end of 1999, the company published it in open source, what became a real sensation among experts. Companies' practice to share best exploratory works continues over 20 years and on. The author of training programs and a certified training expert in Open Cascade Technology, Alexander Malyshev demonstrated the way products are simulated and manufactured on a 3D printer. Today we've held a workshop called Additive Manufacturing in 90 minutes, during which we came through the whole production cycle that is necessary for successful 3D printing. Such cycle includes modeling, preparation for printing, and printing itself. And we did it on practice. As a result, we got a 3D model printed. Another Open Cascade spokesperson, Kirill Gavrilov, a 3D visualization software architect, held the speech about the differences between platforms supporting screens with variable pixel density and screen sizes, Android, Windows, and iOS. The essence of the presentation is recommendations on the development of cross-platform applications with scalable user interfaces. These data are always in demand. Since we have a huge number of different devices, mobile phones, desktops with huge displays, projectors, and so on, so software vendors are now trying to develop applications supporting all these platforms at once. The devices have different screen sizes, features, and so on. Accordingly, in my speech, I try to describe the problems which people face when developing such programs. Basically, I've targeted the audience that does not know how to treat such issues. During my speech, I described how it works, how Android, Windows, and Linux systems differ from each other, and what is under the essence of support for modern user interfaces. If a developer does not follow the trends of modern technology and is not constantly interested in what is happening around, if he delves only into the development of his own applications, then he risks losing his expertise in this area, which will lead to the loss of opportunities for professional growth and development. Technology is rapidly changing. Applying it to oneself and sharing with colleagues is a privilege of the strong. Open Cascade forecasts business growth over the midterm perspective and therefore is interested in training prospect personnel in all cities where its offices reside.